Hey guys, today we're going to be swapping out the blower fan motor on a 2018 Toyota Sienna. Pretty simple job. All you need is one of these, a T25 Torx bit, and that's it. Alright, the blower fan motor is on the passenger side underneath the glove compartment right in there. This cable is connected to it. I've already disconnected it. And I'm pretty sure if you look at the manual, it's going to tell you to disconnect the ground as well. But pretty simple. It's got 3 Torx screws in there. We just got to get those guys out, and this should drop right out. Right, again, this just comes right out. Make sure you're set to loose. The other thing is we don't want to strip these. Go. And this is all plastic, so just be careful with it. I mean, this is the old one, so it doesn't really matter, but still. Alright. Get this over the little cable here. And that's it. It should come right out. And that was it. That came out really easily. Now we're going to open up the new one, make sure it's the same. Alright, yep, sure looks the same to me. Here, let's look at the inside of this guy. It's all, well, it's not actually that bad. The reason we're actually replacing this is because it's making like a loud little, loud noise. I'll go ahead and I'll edit that in. But yeah, so I mean, and to be honest, like I think, so we're only at 60,000 miles. I think that's, it feels a bit premature for these to go out. I haven't had that issue on any of my other Toyotas before, but simple enough fix. And if you do it yourself, you can save yourself a little bit of money. All right, this thing's rusted out as well. So, I mean, it was a used car. We don't know what the other guy did before me, if he wasn't changing out his filters or whatever. But, yeah, easy enough fix. Let's go ahead and get this new one in. Alright, gotta make sure it goes in the same way it came out. Alright, you can use, whoops, let me get that on the camera. You can use this guy to guide you. Right, it's going to slip in there. They got a spot for it. Oh, it's a bit of a tough spot. I'm trying to get over this. Just be gentle. It's all plastic. There you go. Just move that out. There you go. And you can use this piece to guide you because that fits right in there. And then you get your 3 bolts. I'm just going to put these on by hand real quick so I can let go. Okay, so now I can let go. And we're going to tighten this guy. I want to make sure we're not going to over tighten these. Just make sure they're snug. Like, there you go, felt a little bit of resistance. That's good enough. That's it. Because again, we don't want to strip these. It's just plastic.
You guys actually can't see that. But yeah, this one keeps giving me issues because this tube here. But yeah, there you go. Alright, same thing. Felt a little bit of resistance. That's it. Don't overdo it. Alright. I'll plug this guy in. Let's see if that annoying. Let's go ahead and see if that sound is gone.
Alright, turning the car on. Oh, my wipers are on for some reason. Okay, let's see. Let's go ahead and crank this sucker all the way up. And there we go. Oh, that's nice. Alright guys, and that was it. 3 screws, that's all it took. And I was able to save a little bit of money by doing it by myself. I did order this from the dealership, but if you get it installed at the dealership, you're gonna end up paying a lot more. It cost me 130 bucks for that fan motor. I did shop around. It's very important. You can go to parts.toyota.com and you can shop the different dealerships in your zip code for the best price. Like, you don't have to get the OEM Toyota one. There are cheaper ones out there, but I prefer doing the OEM stuff because they tend to be better quality. In the past, I have done parts from like Duralast and, like, you know, the AutoZone stuff, and they tend to have like lifetime warranties, but you're most likely going to have to end up using it. Whenever I replace like Denso stuff, I don't have to think about it like for years. But anyways, I'm getting off track. That's it for this video. Pretty easy fix. I hope this video helps you out, and if it did, if you could give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys next time.